Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can lock apps on Android phone. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store. So here you can see I already locked Play Store. So search here App Lock Pro and you need to download this application. Okay, once you download you simply need to open that application. So let me enter the pin and here you need to select the apps that you want to lock. So I already selected. So let me show you an app. So once I open app, you can see a lock here. So I need to add my pin here and after that it will be open like this. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.